Good morning, fam. Today we're doing a 5-minute gentle stretching routine designed to wake up your body and set a positive tone for the rest of the day. This stretching flow is perfect for beginners and will help you feel energized, relaxed, and ready to take on anything. So find a comfortable seat and let's begin. Start by sitting cross-legged, resting your hands on your knees, close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, inhale deeply through your nose and exhale fully. Feel your body start to relax, letting go of any tension. Focus on your breath, becoming present in this moment. Gently open your eyes. On your next inhale, lengthen your spine. And as you exhale, twist to the right, place your left hand on your right knee and your right hand behind you. Breathe here for a few moments, deepening the twist with each exhale. Now come back to the center and twist to the left. Keep breathing deeply, allowing the spine to unwind. Come back to the center and now bring your right hand to the mat beside you. On your inhale, lift your left arm up and over your head as you press your hips off the mat from each side. Feel the stretch along your left side. Exhale as you lower back down. And repeat on the other side. Lift your hips, reach over with your right arm and breathe into the stretch. Transition your hands and knees for cat-cow. As you inhale, arch your back, lift your chest, and look up. This is cow pose. On your exhale, round your back, tuck your chin, and press into your hands. This is cat pose. Flow through a few rounds, moving with your breath and warming up your spine. Now tuck your toes under and press back into downward facing dog. Lift your hips high, press your heels toward the mat and feel the stretch through your hamstrings and calves. You can bend one knee at a time, paddling out your feet to release any tightness. Keep breathing deeply, letting your body wake up. On your next inhale, shift forward into a plank pose, keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core, press through your palms, and hold here for a few breaths. Lower all the way down to your belly. Bring your hands under your shoulders, and on your inhale, lift your chest and head into a gentle low cobra. Keep your elbows close to your sides and feel the opening in your chest. Exhale to lower back down. Push back into downward dog. Then step your feet towards your hands. Slowly rise up halfway, lengthening your spine into a half tilt. Then fold forward over your legs, allowing your head and arms to hang. Feel the stretch through your hamstrings and lower back. Inhale as you rise up into chair pose, bending your knees as if sitting back into a chair. Interlace your fingers behind your back and lift your chest as you pull your hands away from your body. Breathe deeply here, feeling the stretch in your shoulders and the engagement in your legs. Step your right foot back and bend your front knee into warrior eye. Ground your back heel, lift your arms up and reach toward the sky. Feel strong and steady in this pose, holding for a few breaths. Now switch sides, stepping your left foot back and repeating warrior eye on the other side. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge, keeping your back knee on the mat. Inhale as you lift your right arm, twisting to the right. Optionally, reach for your back foot for a deeper stretch. Hold for a few breaths, then switch sides, repeating the twist on the left side. Press back into child's pose, bringing your hips towards your heels and reaching your arms forward. Rest your forehead on the mat and take a few deep breaths here, letting your body fully relax. Come up to kneeling for dynamic camel pose. Place your head behind you. Place one hand behind you on your heel, and as you inhale, lift your opposite arm up in a circular motion, opening your chest and lifting your hips. Exhale as you lower down and switch sides. Flow through a few rounds, moving with your breath. I hope you're feeling energized, open, and ready for the day ahead. Thank you for joining me. If you enjoyed this routine, don't forget to subscribe for more stretching sessions. See you next time.